Remember when you told me you believe in something and you
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying your weekend. If you think I sound funny, that is because I do. I have a cold and it's been passed down to me in my household, so it's my turn. And I just want to apologize for that because I will not be doing too much voiceover in this video, but I just wanted to let you know what's going on in today's video. I have some house projects that I'm tackling. I have to fix a lot of my walls in the house. I went to Home Depot and I got my wall paint color matched. They gave me like 98% match and it looks perfect, so I was happy with that because I could not remember the color of the that we had picked when we moved in like almost 5 years ago. So I found a tip on another YouTuber's video where she mentioned to just clip off a piece from behind your outlet and then you take it to Home Depot and they match it for you. So that's what I did, and I was so happy for that because I was panicking with the mistakes I had made on my dining room wall. As you can see, I was trying to tape the wall, which in the end I honestly didn't even need to do because I didn't paint the whole wall. And I hope you guys are enjoying my little helper there. Totally wasting the tape, but that's okay. He's always up to helping his mama. So anyways guys, I'm gonna include some house projects. I'm gonna include some cleaning motivation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what is your favorite house project. I can officially say I hate painting because I think I've done too much already, but anyways, if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you press the notification bell and hit all so you are notified every time I upload a video, which is on Sundays. I have to say that whoever invented this attachment pole to the roller is genius because it makes painting so much easier. I can't believe my husband painted our downstairs without it and I feel so bad now, but I'm glad that I found it and I picked one up because painting the wall just went so much faster. I couldn't even reach at the top if I didn't have it, so I'm so happy I found it.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover, yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Never been in love, yeah. I'm still waiting for the one, looking for someone who cares about my needs. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn, no. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in, oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd kiss something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile.
This was the last wall that I needed to fix, and while it was drying, I just wanted to show you the cleaning that I needed to get done. I wanted to put everything back in order. My living room just looked like a hot mess, so let's get right into it.
If you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms, oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I
sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better, better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better. Love you better, better. Love you better,
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind, because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intentions. You're gonna ruin my reputation.
I recently went to Ikea, and the nearest Ikea for me is about 3 hours, you guys. So while I was there, I definitely had to visit, and I wanted to show you guys a few little decor items that I picked up. Don't ask me to pronounce these Ikea names, honestly, I can't, but I wanted to show you that little greenery, and also this little pottery pot that I got. I was gonna put it inside so it looks more clean, and I didn't like the black little pot, so I wanted it for my side table there, just something simple. And also my wicker basket, I